Hey everyone, today I'm going towards the Tipsy Jockey, the new bar on Avenida del Mediterráneo, something completely different than a bar on the strip on the Levante Beach. So come along with me on this regular Wednesday. So this day started with a bit of an overcast. Very cloudy this morning and even until the afternoon. It has cleared up marvelously, as you can see. Clear blue skies, but the clouds are still back there in the mountains. But it's beautiful out here. With those clouds this morning, it was barely 22 degrees. Now it has risen until 25. Really warm out here. There isn't any wind or anything, so you really feel the heat. And it is quite busy at the beach, especially for just a Wednesday. Most of the people this morning went towards the market probably. So the fact that it was a bit cloudy was even better for that, to spend some time at the market. Right now most people have gone towards the pool, the beach, or a bar, because it is really busy down there at Tiki Beach. The temperature sign up here at the pharmacy shows 27 degrees, but of course this one is full in the sunshine. By the way guys, if you haven't yet, please don't forget hitting the like button on my video. Really helps promoting it towards more people out there. Thank you. That down there is the point we need to go. Bars down here are doing really well. Curious to see how the new bar one is, the Tipsy Jockey. Right down here we have really lots of restaurants, different ones, in between the Jolly Roger and the new one, the Tipsy Jockey. Just as busy as on the beachfront. Incredible. So apparently it does work, a bar all the way back here in the on the Mediterraneo instead of right on the beach or at the strip. Many people are interested in it. Maybe it's a stopping point for going towards the old town from the new town. Maybe just stick there, think this is better than old town. Who knows? At least the bars are running really well down there. And I know if you head down this way, you're getting towards more bars on the Calle Gerona. So let's head over there and then take a look. Oh, those are still doing well. Now this one has become right in between the beach and them. There we are, can see Winners Bar already. But first I want to mention something different. And that is that I really don't like what they did with the HB Center Hotel. Those colors on the sides, is that necessary? They did a huge renovation, by the way, on the bar right down here. Seven Seas Bar. Let's go for the bar street, or restaurant street, it was always called, but it's more getting a bar street nowadays. Right now I'm halfway and all the bars have already made it towards here. Right down from here, this is where the restaurants start. It's getting more and more invaded by bars than there are restaurants left, I believe. And then we also have this one, the Belgian bakery. I believe this one has also been sold to Cafe Benidorm, the owner of that one. Will this also be another bar? Who knows? Time will tell. Hope you guys enjoyed my video today, showing you guys that the Tipsy Jockey really is a popular bar and location, which surprises me how popular it is with many tourists down here. Also the restaurant street, the Calle Gerona, which has been taken over more and more by bars nowadays. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. And thank you for watching. Don't forget hitting the like and subscribe.